Hello everyone, I'm Lucy. I have decided to join this trend 1 minute public speaking English for 30 days. I want to try this because I think they help me to improve my public speaking skill. Okay, let's start. My real name is Sonite, but you can call me Lucy. I like this name more than Sonite. This name is the main character of the series in this universe. Actually, I am Marvel fan, but I really like this series. Lucy is the short form of Lucifer Morningstar. Okay, 1 minute. Time is up. Let's stop here. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone.